David, they held signs that said, "Stop arresting our neighbors." But what really makes them mad is where this person was taken into custody. In downtown Vancouver, demonstrators demanded due process for all. They chanted support for immigrants, and they pointed fingers at ICE.
And pretty soon they're knocking on our door for something we don't know we even did. So I think we have to nip this in the bud.
Elton Billings and his wife Christine were stunned over what happened in Portland Monday. ICE agents detained an asylum seeker from Mexico after she left a hearing in federal court. The woman's lawyer says she was seeking asylum and safety in the U.S. after men in a Mexican cartel raped and threatened to kill her because she's transgender. For the Billings, the case feels very personal. They have a transgender daughter, and Christine is an immigrant.
I couldn't stand the idea that they were taking somebody who was already in the process of seeking asylum and who had moved here to find safety and just disappearing her.
We want people to obey the law, sure, but we want the government to obey the law too.
ICE agents are following a Trump administration policy that allows them to detain people in courthouses. Attorneys for the woman say it appears this case is the first of its kind in Portland.
So she complied with all the rules here. She applied for asylum. She attended her court date as required by the government. And then ICE is engaging in this unethical tactic to trick people.
I think it will happen another time here unless more people protest and speak up.
Attorneys for the asylum seeker filed a federal petition asking a judge to bring her back from a detention center in Tacoma and continue her case in Oregon. They say what agents did Monday violated her rights to due process. DHS and ICE have until Thursday to respond. In the meantime, the Billings have long-term concerns.
And I lived under martial law in the Philippines, and I can see all the signs that are happening here of martial law and a dictatorship.
In a statement to KGW, the Department of Homeland Security said ICE is following the law and, quote, placing illegal aliens in expedited removal. They noted that if they have a valid, credible fear claim, they'll continue immigration proceedings. But if not, they'll be subject to swift deportation. David.
Well, we'll see how they respond tomorrow. Thanks, Catherine.